Adam Taylor Izulana Kabetelo Kabetelo Herthuli. Okay, hello Mizo people, Mizoram, welcome back everyone. Know these people, peace from Africa. So today we have one suggested music video from one and only RSA, guys. You all know him. Yeah, it's now becoming one of my favorite Mizo singer, RSA. We have also RSA Taitea. Today we are checking the music title is Herthuli. Herthuli, what does it mean by Herthuli? By LALROSANGA Sanga. Let's check it out. And I'm gonna sing for you all. In case you're not part of the family, subscribe now. Let's go. Herthuli, let's go. Go. Izunahang. Let me increase the sound. Down in me. Home, Herthuli. Okay. Let's go. Woo! Dance. Ava makin cutting liner Adam Taylor Izunawan Taylor Herthuli Min bang sounds cây buồn lên đăng trái các bông gió găng mê trai liền đô đi oh Herthuli Nima Nung làm đi cái tôi đi cái tay thấy lâu nắng đô năng năng bao vây ô liêm nó lên bộ lên tâm cho sóng gió kín don't về tê áo vào mai trên cả tiếng lái đâm Adam Taylor Izulana Kabetelo Herthuli. Lô năng dày run ta lên đu cần nhanh leo mong với về ô liếm nó lên gió kín hắn tô về tê ava makin cante lai nam Adam Taylor. What does it mean? Adam Taylor. My favorite part. Adam Taylor. Adam Taylor. Woo. What does it mean, guys, by Adam Taylor? This is the only word I catch it properly here. Adam Taylor. What does it mean? Tell me. Adam Taylor. Wow, this is so amazing. I'm just getting from the lyrics. I'm singing from the lyrics and I don't understand the meaning. But See, now I can easily understand. I can easily sing Taitea song compared to RSA, guys. RSA, oh my gosh. Uh, they speak the same language, but I just found the way they sing is totally different, guys. To understand RSA lyrics for me is like I tried two songs. It's really difficult for me, like to catch, to move with the lyrics. And for Tete, it's so easy for me to catch his lyric and to pronounce and to sing easily because you know that guy how he sing is so calm and so amazing. But this guy is sing just like Michael Jackson. RSA for me is just like Michael Jackson, guys. He sing that style only that way, but they both talented, guys. I love the song. You can tell me what does it mean by Herthuli also, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm getting all the love from you. We are almost left to 2K to reach the 100K subscribers, guys. Make sure share it. Ask your friend to subscribe, guys. Love you all. We do reaction and vlogs for Northeast people. So if you're watching from Northeast, make sure to support our channel. Love you all. Till next time.